85 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Naples around 8:55 p.m., Merebrosha around 9 p.m., Evansville around 9:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Beardstown, Bluff Springs, and Chandlerville. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 43 and 75. At 8 p.m. the report from the Jacksonville airport was not available.